Whoa.
Please shut the door.
Miss Ohio doesn't like storms very much.
Excuse me.
And she's even kidnapped the poor dog.
We're trying to stay safe in here. Now, if you'd excuse me, the door needs to be closed for any safety.
This door? You think this door is going to do anything?
Joe, it will try its best.
Okay. The only thing this will do is slow me down getting in here.
Well, you should already be in here, but you made an unfortunate decision.
How are you going to know if anything's coming?
Well, I won't, but I'll already be in my safe place with my water, my phone, my flashlight, and my dog. Plus a blanket. And 2 pillows.
And a fake dog.
Jake, no, he's gonna protect us.
Oh, this is my struggle.
Don't post that any place.
Oh, I will, don't worry. I'll be sure to tag you in it. And Jake.
Oh no, baby, he doesn't understand the danger we're in.
Okay, say bye.